Good morning, kids. It's Adam, and I have a new friend today. It's Mama Llama.
Oh, hi there.
Oh, hello, Mama Llama. Guess what? We're going to teach people today about how to greet others.
Greet others? What do you mean?
Well, when you greet others, there's a couple really cool things that you can do to greet people. Do you want to learn?
Uh-huh.
All right, Mama Llama. First thing, you can smile. That is something we learn in social stories. It's where your mouth comes up and you go. And that kind of lets people know you're friendly. Do you want to try?
Uh-huh.
Great job. That was a wonderful smile, Mama Llama. Another thing you can do is wave. And we can do that with our hands like this to say hi or just wave our hand.
I'm gonna go like this.
Well, that's a good wave. Mama Llama, that's two things. You've smiled and waved. There's another thing you can do, which is kind of creative. You can even say, "What's your name?"
What's your name?
Well, I'm Mr. Adam. What's your name?
Mama Llama.
Well, nice to meet you, Mama Llama. That's really cool. Hey, do you ever do fist bumps?
What's that?
Well, someone can come like this with a fist bump, and you can bring yours up here, and we can meet together to kind of connect. Some people do like handshakes, but a fist bump is a great way in a school. It's another way to say hi.
I like it.
I thought you would. So we can do smiles. We can say hi. We can wave. And we could even do fist bumps. Great job, Mama Llama.
Okay. Have a great day saying hi or greeting people.
Mama Llama, you did a great job. All right, good luck with greeting people today. Bye.